Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about XRP. We're going to talk about XRP on a lower degree, and we're also going to talk about XRP on a macro scale. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the hourly basis first thing first, and what we talk about regarding XRP on my previous update regarding XRP pumping nearly like 80% to the upside. If you take a look at it on a lower degree, we pumped from like just about like 21 cents all the way up to basically 39. That's 80% pump, guys. That's actually incredible, right? So how are we gonna get another pump like this, another pump like that? Okay, we're gonna take a look at it. So if you're new to our content, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the likes. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification, join our public Telegram group, link in the description. And if you're looking to join Sun Crypto Premium for some daily analysis, price target, price update, and live discussion, live stream, and all of that good stuff, you can basically join the premium group, and you can get all these daily analysis regarding all the crypto space, right? So now XRP, it is looking incredibly juicy, both to the downside and both to the upside. Why both to the downside and to the upside? This could be the greatest pump of all time regarding XRP. Okay, if you think like you miss BTC pump, like BTC pumping from like 1 cent to 28,000, you're gonna see something similar. Okay, I'm not saying XRP gonna go up to 28,000, but you know what I mean, right? Somewhere around like 1 penny all the way up to like a $20 to $30 range. Okay, but that's going to be the greatest pump. We're going to talk about it on the macro scale, but on the lower degree, as we said, right, you can see XRP right there, 21 cents, got a nice impulse wave to the upside. For now, we're going to count it as impulse, 5-wave structure, move to the upside, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then now we got another type of zigzag formation or WXY formation right there, a 3-way move down as of now, and it is pulling back down exactly at 0.786, right? If you take a look at it from swing low, right, to swing high, you take a look at it on the lower degree, that's beautiful. Okay, beautiful. What were we expecting? 24. Okay, and where 22? Okay, 22 is 0.888, 24 is 0.786. So that's pretty accurate. Okay, that's extremely accurate. When XRP was at 38 cents, we said, guys, take some profits. Okay, take some profits. This key area right here going to be what? Going to be a profit taking area, not time to be long and all of that good stuff. And if you go ahead and take a look at it, I'm going to show you exactly what we talk about regarding XRP back on the 24th, just about like 4 days ago. We said XRP bounced back up, from 22 to 26, which was our target, and that's a nice 50% pump. Okay, so take some profits, right? Just about like 36 cents, right? 38, and look for 22 to 24, and after that we're going to look for 16 to 18, and I'm going to show you why we're going to be looking for 16 to 18 on a lower degree. Okay, it is kind of incredible. The price action is beautiful. Okay, price action is very beautiful regarding XRP. So now you take a look at price action. One of the reasons why we've been looking for 24 to 22, right, was like 0.786 to 0.888. However, one of the reasons why we're also looking for 18 to 16 is like if you do a swing high to swing low, you also got some more fib retracement to the downside, which is like some fib extensions, right? You got 18 cents at 1.27, right? Not $1.27 XRP, but fib retracement. Okay, and you got also 1.41, which is like 16 to 17 cents. So if we do not find support right here, okay, price action can still dip down right here and give bulls another opportunity to basically accumulate just about this range. Okay, 0.786 is a very important key area for most crypto chart, right? But also 1.27 to 1.41 is a very important key Fibonacci area. You try to try to incorporate it into your analysis, and it is going to give you some nice support area to pay attention to, because most of the time when price action dip, right, when price action gives you a nice flat correction and drop into the downside, you don't know where you're going to be looking at. Okay, you don't know what type of support you're going to be looking for on the lower degree, but if you basically pay attention to your 1.27 to 1.41, most likely, you know, you can find a nice you know, nice support right there. So what I'm anticipating regarding 1.24 is like we could, not 1.24, but this key area, I'm looking for this move first, right? That's my primary count. ABC correction back to retest back up 38 cents, or okay, if it failed, we could be looking for what? We could be looking for this move to the downside, which is a possible wedge pattern, and price action could definitely hit 1.24 to 1.27 to 1.41, okay, in a wedge pattern. Okay, the wedge pattern could look very ugly and all of that good stuff, but we don't care. We're just gonna anticipate a possible wedge pattern. We don't even know if like it is going to be a wedge. It could be, you know, a parallel channel. We just don't know, but we could be anticipating a possible, you know, support right here if and only if we do not find a support at, you know, 22 to 24. Now let's take a look at XRP on the macro scale. Right, if you take a look at XRP on a macro scale, we did say exactly, all right, XRP going to, you know, could possibly, okay, retest like the macro scale 0.786. I hope not. 0.618 right there, macro scale 0.618, which is like 6 cents. 0.786 is like 2 cents. So we're not interested about like 0.786 yet. Okay, we want to see if, you know, 10 cents going to hold on the macro scale, and after that we're going to be looking for like 6 cents. Okay, we talked about this move like over like 18 months ago. Okay, even when XRP was like at 30 cents, we called for 10 cents, and before, you know, before even we hit like 10 cents, we said we're gonna pump back up to 80 cents. But guys, don't get too excited, because structure wise, I just don't like it. Okay, I just don't like it, and sucker could basically give us a, you know, beautiful pump to the downside right there, a pump to the downside, a dump to the downside right here, just about like a 6 cents. So keep that in mind on the macro scale, right? So XRP BTC on Poloniex, we did call for what? We did call for roughly around like 500 to 1000 sats, right? As you can see right there, last time we pumped on XRP, we did say, guys, don't get too excited, right? Remember, XRP pumped back up like to roughly around like 1500, right? 1500 sats, right, last week, and we said it's going to be coming back down. Right, it's going to be coming back down, so look for roughly around like 500 sats. Okay, and 500, it is not a random number. If you go back like back in February 20th, right, 2017, you can see like that's the 50-day cycle for XRP. That's when the 50-day cycle started exactly. Okay, and XRP just pump straight up. Okay, just pump straight up. So we're going to be looking for 500 sats. Go, because XRP BTC pairing is different with XRP USD. Okay, XRP, you know, USD could be going up and XRP BTC could be going down. So it only means you have to basically, if you're trading XRP BTC, right, it means you're not going to be in XRP, you're not going to be in USD, but you're going to be in BTC. You see what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. So we could possibly see the greatest pump in XRP history if and only if we can find support at basically 500, because we do not want to retest like 150 sats. That's going to be very bad, which is like roughly all-time low, okay, back in September 2014. Okay, but it is too soon to talk about the all-time low. We're just going to focus on like 500 sats, just about 480 to 500, and we're going to take a look at it you know, after that, right? But we talk about this type of a setup when XRP was like roughly around like 3000. We called for XRP 1000 sats, 500 sats. Now, you know, we can even drop lower than, you know, 500 sats, which is absolutely crazy on you know, on the macro scale. If you don't know how to basically trade the market on the macro scale, when somebody call like, you know, for instance, like BTC 2K, you're gonna be like, oh man, this guy is wrong. But you just gotta be cautious, because the macro scale is very funny. It is not something like you're gonna expect like, you know, in a week. Sometimes it can take like 2 years, 3 years, okay, to hit like your macro target, right? But let's just focus on XRP right now, where we're going to be looking for XRP to probably find a beautiful support at 500 sats, and we could see like the greatest pump in XRP history, because I'm anticipating XRP to pump back up, guys. I'm anticipating XRP to pump back up all the way up to 18,000 sats, guys, right there. Okay, I'm anticipating XRP on a monthly basis, guys, to pump all the way back up to 18,000 sats. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. That's the next macro target, not 500. Okay, we already hit our 1,000 to 500 sats target. We just have to basically stay above this key area, and I showed you back in May why XRP going to dump all the way down to these key areas, right? And we're going to be pumping right back up. Okay, so once we start pumping, we're going to get some sort of like head and shoulder pattern formation, something like this, right? XRP could start pump and dump right back down and give us a nice head and shoulder pattern, which is actually a fake out right there, right? We're going to dump back down. However, don't panic on the second dump. Don't panic on the second dump. We talked about all of this good stuff, guys, like over 6 months ago, over a year ago, and all of that good stuff. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.